In this video, I will be showing you how to make these little raindrops that I use to embellish my spring themed crochet blanket. For these raindrops, I'm using some blue worsted weighted yarn and also an H or 5mm crochet hook. We will start with a magic ring, chain 1, and make 11 single crochets into the ring. Once you have 11 single crochets, go ahead and pull your tail end tight to close up that circle as best you can, and then join to the first single crochet that you made. So the beginning chain will not count as a stitch. Now chain 1 and make a single crochet into the next 3 stitches. 1, 2, 3, and then in the next stitch we will make a half double crochet, in the next stitch we will make a double crochet, and then in the next stitch we will make a treble, chain 3, 1, 2, 3, slip stitch back onto this first chain that you made, and then another treble into that same stitch. Now we're going to start working backwards to get back down. So we will make a double crochet in the next stitch, half double crochet in the next stitch, and then we should have 3 stitches left where we will make single crochets. 1, 2, 3. And then join to the first single crochet, chain to fasten off, and there is your raindrop. For my spring blanket, I made 3 raindrops per granny square. So make 3 for each square, or if you're using this raindrop applique for something else, then go ahead and make as many or as little as you'd like.